Hey folks, want to announce a new live online workshop coming up on Wednesday. That's just in 2 days from now, on laying out the core of your site. Zone 1, design, planning. I'm receiving some layouts from people, some designs or existing configurations that people have in their Zone 1 to review. I'll pick about 2 of these to overview during the Zoom meeting, and people can ask questions. It will be a lot like an online consult that a few dozen people get to listen into, maybe some more. We'll see how many sign up. There's about 30 of you so far. And I'll be doing a bunch of these in the future, but this will be a nice kickoff. And it's focusing on one of the most important things you can possibly get right on your site, which is the layout of your core, the buildings, access, parking, your core gardens, your zone 1, your area of most intensive use, which especially in harsher climates needs to really take into account a lot of considerations very carefully, like wind and sun. And even in mild climates, has to be really efficient and effective if you're not going to be wasting your highest value spaces. So check it out. This is a screen share of the website. I'll put a link in the description, and hope to see some of you there. Keep posted on this, and especially on our newsletter on our website for upcoming workshops. In another week or two, I'm going to do a deep dive into wood stove and wood stove hot water systems, which I know many of you have asked about, and it's so essential, so incredible. It's amazing more people don't utilize them. Hope to see you there as well.